Hey everybody, I'm Michael and welcome back to my channel. I was recently asked to do a video on how to buy a Type 4 license now that the Planet Watch website requires you to buy them using Planet tokens instead of actual fiat or USD or anything like that. So I wanted to go over quickly how to do this because it is kind of confusing if you've never purchased anything with crypto before. So I'm on the planetwatch.us website. You can also go to planetwatch.io if you are outside of the United States. And when you come up here to the buy section and you click on licenses, you are taken to a page where you can choose which license you are going to buy. Before I continue, I wanted to say that if you are using a Planet Watch sensor, so you've got an AtmoTube Pro, which uses the Type 4 sensor, I want you to know that the market right now is overly saturated. There are way too many miners out there getting rewarded. But if you still are adamant about getting this license, these are the steps that you will take to do that. So you're going to come over here and click the Buy Now button. And once the page loads, you're going to select the license duration. Let's go ahead and select 1 year and click Add to Cart. Now before you can actually add to cart, it's going to say you need to register to buy products. So you go ahead and click the Login button. And then if you already have an account, you can fill in your username and password, or you can register for a new account, which is what you would do here. You type in your email, whatever it might be, and then once you've typed in your email, click register, and then you will confirm your account in your email. Once you've confirmed your account, you'll come back to this website and log in. After you've logged in, let's go back up to this buy section and click on licenses, and then come down here and click on the buy now under the Type 4 sensor. Now if you are going to be earning Planet rewards with a different license, you can buy a Type 1, Type 2, Type 3. If it does require you to use the Planet's tokens to buy that license, this is the same exact process. You'll select your license duration and click Add to Cart. And then you'll go ahead and proceed to checkout. Now on the billing page, you're going to fill out your billing details, any additional information that you have, and then when you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see Pay with Planets using this Bleumi, which is not the greatest name, but you're going to need to use some Planet tokens to buy the license. So after you have read the license agreements, the terms and conditions, and the privacy policy, and you've checked both these boxes, you're going to go ahead and click Pay with Bleumi. Now that we are on this page, it's kind of like a catch-22. In order to buy the Type 4 license with the Planet token, you have to have Planet tokens. But you only get the Planet tokens by buying the license and doing the AtmoTube Pro or your other Type 4 sensor. So here's what you have to do. You come down here and it says you need the Planet's tokens. And if you're wondering how to actually get those tokens, this is what you do. You're going to want to download the MyAlgo wallet. It's wallet.myalgo.com. And when you come to this website, let's say you go directly to this site, it'll first tell you you need to read the terms and service, and then you need to check this box and click continue. And then you need to create a password. It will help protect your wallet. So let's go ahead and do that now. After you've entered in your password, click continue. Now if you have a Ledger Nano device, you can go ahead and click here to see the setup instructions, but for this demo, I am going to click create new account right here in the center. Now it's going to pop up. You're going to have to write down this mnemonic phrase that on the next page, and I want to make this very clear. Do not share this information with anyone. This is access to your wallet. So if you share this with anyone claiming to be customer service, anyone legitimate will never ask for this. So always make sure to keep this as private as possible. Click continue. Now it says to please take note of the following words in the correct order. Make sure that you write them down in the correct order. And my preferred way to write them down is to use what's called a stone book. It's just a notebook like this. It's waterproof, tear-proof. It's offline because it's safe from hackers because it's 100% offline. And you essentially get just sheets like this that are made from actual stone. You can write down your words in the order and make sure that everything is safe and protected. So once you've written down all of your words, you can see in this account, these are the words that you would write down. After you've done that, check this box and click continue. And here, after we've entered in our correct words, because we did get quizzed on those, we need to enter in that password that we created at the very first step. Click create. Now, as you can see, I created a test wallet. I've got 0 in my balance. The two options I can do is either send money from this account, which is what we will be doing in the future, or receive money into this account. So this is the very first thing. We need to receive money from somewhere else. We need to receive ALGO tokens from somewhere else. And then once we've received those ALGOs, we need to convert the ALGOs into the planet tokens. I know it's kind of tricky, but just follow along a little bit longer. It'll all make sense in just a minute. So in order to receive some ALGOs, we need to have ALGOs purchased from somewhere else. And for this tutorial, I'll be using Coinbase. I've got my Coinbase account logged in, and all you need to do if you don't have a Coinbase account, you can click the link down below and sign up today. But once you've created your account, you can come over here and click on the trade button. And when you're on the trade page, you're going to go ahead and search for ALGO or Algorand. And from here, we are going to click the buy button. Because again, we need ALGOs first, and then we need to convert those ALGOs to planet tokens, and then once we have those planets tokens, we can use that to buy the Type 4 license. So if we take a look at our checkout back on this Bleumi site, we need $42 USD. And here's the tricky part. So let's go ahead and say we're going to go ahead and proceed. Now we need to choose where we will be paying from, either this ALGO signer wallet or the MyAlgo wallet. And this is the one that we are going to select. So let's go ahead and click MyAlgo wallet. And then we will have to connect our wallet. But down here, this is a very important thing. This is the number of planets we need to buy or convert our ALGOs from in order to pay for this license. So going back to Coinbase, we know that the license costs around $42, or it costs $42 exactly, but I do know that Coinbase is going to charge a fee. So just to be sure, let's go ahead and select $50 here that we are going to buy. We're going to select $50 that we are going to buy, and we are going to buy the Algorand token. You'll click Preview Buy, and you can see that Coinbase does charge a $2 fee right here, so keep that in mind when you're adding money to Coinbase. And then once everything looks good, you're going to go ahead and click Buy Now. Now I'm not going to buy now today because I already have the Type 4 license, but this is what you would do to get some ALGO tokens. Next, now that you've purchased the ALGO tokens, you can come up here and click on Assets. Now you won't see that I have any ALGO here, but this is the same step that you would take to send money from your Coinbase account into your new MyAlgo wallet. So let's say that this one right here where it says Cardano, let's just pretend that this said Algorand. We'd click on that, and then we would come up here and click on the Wallet tab. Now if you chose to buy $50 worth of ALGO, you'd be ready to go. All you would need to do is come over here to the right hand side under the Send tab, and then you would select how much of the ALGO you wanted to send. So let's say it was $50. You would need to tell Coinbase where that money is going to go, into which wallet. Make sure that it's ALGO. We're just using Cardano right now because I don't have any ALGO. But you cannot send Cardano to an ALGO wallet, so don't try that. This is just pretend. Pretend this says Algorand and you're in the correct space in Coinbase. I don't want you sending $50 of Cardano into the ALGO wallet and then blaming me for having no money in your ALGO wallets. Anyway, let's go back to the ALGO wallet. All we need to do once we've created our account is come up here and click to copy this wallet address just like that, okay? Then we're going to come back to Coinbase under the Send area, and we are going to paste in that address that we just copied. Now, this is not a valid email or address because Cardano uses a different structure for their wallets. Make sure that you are only sending ALGO to this wallet. Once everything looks good, you'll click Continue, and then you will send the funds to your new MyAlgo wallet. Once the funds are in your wallet, you should see a balance of 50 ALGO tokens. Once you've received the balance and everything looks good, you're going to go to another website to convert the ALGO into the planets token. And the website we will be using is called tinyman.org. Make sure it's spelled out correctly, tinyman.org. Come up here and click Go to Tinyman version 1.1. A new window will open up. And from here, we need to just X out of this and click Connect to a wallet. The wallet we are going to connect to is the MyAlgo wallet because that is where our ALGO is stored. And it's going to ask us for that password that we created when we created our MyAlgo wallet. So let's go ahead and get that password in there and click connect. I'll go ahead and connect. I have a different account that has some ALGO tokens in it, so I'll show you how to do that from that wallet, but just know that the steps will be the same. Once you can see your MyAlgo wallet, you're going to connect that wallet to the TinyMan website. Once your wallet is connected, you can see that Algorand is right up here at the top. All we need to do is this. In this search field, type planets or planet. Select it. And then you're going to say how much Algo or Algorand you want to use to buy planets. Well, if you remember back on this Bleumi website, we need this amount of planets. So let's go ahead and copy this and go back to TinyMan, where we will paste in down here that amount. You can see that it comes out to about $41.58. If you want to make sure that you have enough planets, you could always say you want to get 968 planets just to make sure that you've got enough. And then once you've done that, you're going to come down here and click swap, and then you will have to go back into your wallet and confirm that transaction. But once everything goes through, you should now have some planet tokens in your wallet. Then you can go back to the Bleumi site. You'll connect your wallet here, just like I showed you before. And once you go through, you should see a balance of that 968 or so planet tokens. You'll click connect. And once you connect, you'll just follow the instructions to pay with this amount of planets for your Type 4 license. Hopefully all of that was helpful. If it was, please give this video a like. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this, and I will see you guys in the next video.